How to add borders and frames in Yoshion app. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can add the borders and frames to your photos using the Yoshion app. So let's get started. First things first, let's open the Yoshion app. It's right over here. Let's tap on it and go inside it. Once inside it, you'll be seeing this type of interface. You can choose either collage or poster or the phrase tab. Basically, this app is for making the collage. To add the border, what you have to do is simply make one collage. Let's make one. The border feature is not available in edit section. It is available at the freestyle, but the process is similar, so you can use the same process if you are using the freestyle collage on this app. Let's add just two for now. Then tap on next and go inside it. Once inside it, you'll be seeing this type of interface. Here you can see an option for the layout, ratio, border and background. As we are going to add the border and the frames, we're gonna use the option called border. It's right over here, the third option. Tap on it, and onto the border you can see three options. The first one is the outside border. That means if you do it like this, you can access the outside border very easily. And the second one is inside border. That means the border between the photos that you have. Here I do have only two photos, so the border will be created between this. Or if you are adding a lot of photos, you will be seeing that borders between the photos like this. And lastly, there's an option for the corners. That means the corner of the photos. If you try to access it, you can see the changes in the corner borders of the photos that you have added. So if you added more photos, you will be seeing the border changes, the out corner changes in most of them. That's how we can add the border in the photo using the Yoshion app. However, in case of a frame, there's not exactly an option called frame right over here, but you can use an option called poster, which have several but limited frames with them. Now let's go to the several frames that you can use optional, but as I said earlier, there's limited frames in this app right over here. To add the frames, simply tap on posters. And here you can see certain frames that you can use for your photos or the collage. For example, let's add this one right over here. Add one photo like this, then tap on next. So this was the frame. If you want to change the frame, you can do so. However, as I said earlier, there are limited ones. So all in all, for the frames, you can use the poster options. That's it for today's video. I hope this video was helpful. And lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll be seeing you in the next video.